update video for you. And in this video, it is all Bobbi Boss wigs. So if you are interested in a Bobbi Boss update, stick around. This cutie that I'm wearing right now is the lace front wig in Layla. And I have her in the color TTVV Berg, B-U-G, bug actually, but and she just has this like stunning coloring. You know what's funny? Before I did this update, I was like gonna sell her, but now I'm really feeling her and I don't want to sell her anymore. So she's yaki textured, which is very cool, and she's quite weighty, but just the wave to this and the bounce is just really fun. I think in the fall she'll be super cute. The length is awesome, so I really like that. And yeah, I wore her a few times. I'm not quite sure what I was thinking with wanting to get rid of her. I just kind of don't usually wear this sort of shade, but I did get a few wigs recently that are in that like 99J family, and I think my appreciation for it has changed. It's kind of like makeup, it's like, or clothes, like it just changed. Like it would look cute with this shirt. So anyway, she has held up. This is a very high quality wig. If you wanted her in this color or any other color, they have some newer ones that are similar styles. I feel like Drea is a similar style. I don't have her, maybe I'm wrong. And I have a new one that I got. What was her name? So I have a new one. Her name is Alexis. I thought it was a similar style. It's similar, but it's definitely longer. So when I get her out and get her reviewed and stuff, if I feel like a comparison is necessary, I'll make it, and if not, I'm not. But anyway, great wig, great quality, gorgeous hair. So definitely something I would suggest. Next up, we have Miss Joanna, what have you. I have a video where I got her in 2 different colors and I did a full review. You can look at that. And this one is the one in M2/99J. I absolutely love the coloring. I love the wave pattern. My only thing about her, that the reason that I'm not keeping her, is because the wig cap is really big, and for a lot of people that'd be a great thing. I actually have her and she's like down over my ears. In order to pull her down in the back, I had to pull her over my ears. I'm deaf in one ear, so pulling stuff over my ears like that is just not something I want to do because I just can't hear. I could customize this to make the wig cap smaller, but that would make it so I would need to cut it and cut the actual wig cap, and I don't want to do that because I feel like this is a great wig for someone else. It's just not something that's going to fit me. So if this one is definitely going to be listed on my Poshmark, but it's a gorgeous wig. I feel like she has, you know, I did wear her a little bit and I did a full review. I would say she's a great wig. Just she's not for me. That's all I have to say. I love the color, that's for sure. So if you're interested in her, I say that it's a good buy, but just know that it is a very large wig cap. Okay, next up is the other Joanna wig, and this one is in the color F4/2730. The funny thing is even though this is the same wig, I do feel that the wig cap is not as big, which I don't know what that's about. This one I actually am going to keep. I do really like this wig. I like the coloring. It's just weird. I feel like it fits me better, and I don't have a ton of wigs in this sort of 4/2730, and I just think for me it's a great color combination. It's a color combination. So I'm definitely gonna hold on to this one. I really like her. I have worn her several times. Once there's powder in the part, there's not right now. It really separates it, so piano syrup color situation. And yeah, I think this is a great wig. The update is maybe it's a fluke, but potentially there's various colors. The wig cap might be a little bit different. I'm not really sure. I even feel like the one that's in the M2/99J is even a little bit more full than this one. I mean, this one's pretty full, but I feel like the other one is even more full. So I'm not really sure. Maybe it's something in the dyeing of the hairs or something. And this is all the hair to the front, by the way. At any rate, I'm keeping the 4 F4 2730, but I am selling the M2 99J. Both great. I'm just going to keep the one that I'll actually wear. Last but not least is one of my literal favorite wigs. This is Miss Keeshana from Bobbi. She's a 13x6. And the funny thing is I was not feeling her at first because I have learned a lot about 13x6 wigs. There's a full review on her. I may even have one where I'm cutting her. I've worn her so much. If I can, I'll insert a picture of, I have a picture of her where I was wearing her on my 42nd birthday. Anywho, I love Keeshana. I have trimmed her up because she had like one more layer that was kind of scraggly. So I have trimmed her up, but other than that, I absolutely love her. And when this one doesn't last, and I mean, I've worn her out. I've fallen asleep in her, sweated in her. I mean, the coloring is just fabulous. I will definitely get this wig again. Because this is like my go-to if I'm not sure, if I want to look so cute and I'm either running late or I'm just not sure, I always go to Keeshana because she never, ever disappoints. She photographs amazingly and she's comfortable and, you know, blase. I love her. She's lasted. Those are my updates for these Bobbi Boss wigs. If you have any of these wigs and you want to add in the comments, I would love that. If you have a Bobbi Boss that you think I should be trying out, put that down below. If there is a wig that I've reviewed that you want to see a review on ASAP, put that down below as well. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. I just adore you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.